Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Yidomu Security Indoor Campan Tilt IP 1080p with Wi-Fi Human Pet AI Video Surveillance Voice Assistant Compatibility. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and product recommendations. Now, let's talk about the incredible features of the Yidomu camera. With full HD recording, human detection, motion tracking, and abnormal sound detection, this camera provides whole room coverage from a single location. It has a 360 degrees PTZ, pan, tilt, zoom, capability, allowing you to see every corner of any room. But what sets the Yidomu apart is its AI-powered human detection. You'll only receive alerts when it matters, thanks to its advanced AI-powered technology that reduces false positives caused by insects, pets, and changes in light. And let's not forget about the peace of mind it brings. With the flip of a lid, you can easily turn on sleep mode whenever you want some time to yourself. Plus, its Starlight night vision automatically turns on when it starts getting dark, ensuring constant protection day and night. Communication is key, and the Yidomu has crystal clear two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with friends and family or scare off intruders. And with its supremely secure cloud service, all your videos are encrypted before being uploaded to the cloud, providing the ultimate privacy. Not to mention, it comes with a packing list that includes the Yidomu Camera U, manual, adapter, micro USB cable, base for installation, and camera wall mount. So, if you're looking for a security camera that offers advanced features, high level of privacy, and peace of mind, then the Yidomu is the one for you. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Yidomu camera today and take your home security to the next level. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.